morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christopher. Welcome to Cairo. Welcome on board. My colleague in the flight deck, Johan Maria Bomber-Marie, is going to fly you with a flight time of 3 hours. We're shortly ready to close the doors and being ready to depart from Vienna, so I would like to wish you a very pleasant stay with us on board.
Our aircraft has 8 emergency exits, 2 in the front, 4 over the wings, and 2 in the rear cabin. In the event of a loss of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will drop from the panel above you. Pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your nose and mouth with the mask and secure it by pulling the elastic strap over your head. Put your own mask before assisting children and other passengers.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you have already been informed by our pilots, we have started already our descent to Cairo, and I kindly ask you to return to your seat, restore your hand luggage and fasten your seatbelts again. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed on time in Cairo. May I kindly ask you to keep your seatbelt fastened until we have reached our final parking position and my colleagues in the cockpit switch off the fasten seatbelt sign. On behalf of Austrian and the entire crew, I would like to say goodbye to you now. It was a pleasure for us flying you to Cairo today. We wish you a nice remaining evening and thank you that you have chosen Austrian for your flight. Servus, goodbye und auf Wiedersehen.